Your joints are not failing because you are getting old, they are failing because they are being starved and poisoned by a system that profits from your immobility. How to get arthritis pain relief naturally using 5 kitchen remedies is a secret the pharmaceutical industry spends billions to keep out of your hands. Right now, millions of people are trapped in a cycle of synthetic painkillers and steroid injections that merely mask the fire while the house burns down. This processed food culture and the mainstream medical blind spot have left you dependent on a chemical crutch that never intends to heal the root cause. You have been led to believe that bone-on-bone friction is an inevitable sentence, but your body is a self-healing biological machine waiting for the right instructions. Today, you are going to learn the exact phytochemical protocols to extinguish the inflammation at its source. By the end of this video, you will possess the specific knowledge to reclaim your mobility using nothing more than the intelligence found in your own kitchen. Think of your joints like the hinges on a door. In a healthy body, these hinges are bathed in a thick protective oil that allows for silent, effortless movement. But when your internal chemistry becomes acidic and toxic, it's as if someone poured sand and salt into those hinges. The grinding you feel isn't just wear and tear, it is a chemical reaction. Before we name the remedies, you must understand the synovial system. This is the fluid-filled sac that cushions your joints. When your body detects systemic distress, it sends a flood of pro-inflammatory cytokines to the area. It's a defense mechanism gone rogue. To stop this, we need specific active compounds, gingerols, curcuminoids, and sulfur-based minerals. These aren't just nutrients, they are biological keys. For example, curcuminoids act as natural KIOX2 inhibitors. So what does that actually mean for you? It means instead of a synthetic pill blocking your body's signals and damaging your stomach lining, these plant compounds enter the bloodstream and signal the immune system to stand down, allowing the sand to be cleared from your hinges naturally. I see you. I see the way you hesitate before standing up, the way you've stopped reaching for the top shelf, and the frustration of waking up stiff every single morning. You need to hear this. Your body is not betraying you. You are living in an environment designed to make you stiff. Stress, highly acidic processed foods, environmental toxins in our water, and the long-term use of pharmaceuticals have created a perfect storm of acidity in your tissues. This is a systemic failure of the modern world, not a personal failure of your willpower. Dr. Sebi taught us that the human body is designed to heal itself when the right alkaline plant-based conditions are restored. When you consume mucus-forming foods and stay trapped in a sedentary high-stress loop, your blood pH shifts, and your joints pay the price. You are a victim of a broken food system that prioritizes shelf life over your life. But the remedies we are about to discuss work differently, because they don't just numb the pain, they restore the alkaline environment. Your joints need to breathe again. The establishment wants you to think herbal medicine is anecdotal, but the data tells a different story. A study published in the Journal of Ethnopharmacology found that ginger extract was as effective as ibuprofen in reducing joint pain, but without the risk of gastrointestinal bleeding. In Ayurvedic tradition, boswellia, or frankincense, has been used for 3,000 years to treat amavata, or joint inflammation. Modern research at the University of Maryland Medical Center confirmed this, showing that boswellia significantly reduced knee pain and increased joint mobility in patients within just 7 days. Contrast this with pharmaceutical NSAIDs, which a study in The Lancet linked to a 35% increased risk of heart failure with long-term use. The early research even suggests that certain plant alkaloids can help inhibit the enzymes that break down cartilage in the first place. We are talking about a 40% reduction in inflammatory markers in trials with as little as 500 milligrams of high-quality turmeric extract. This isn't folklore, it is ethnobotanical physics. Let's speak plainly, there is no profit motive in recommending a remedy that costs $5 at a grocery store. The pharmaceutical industry relies on what they call lifetime customers. If you heal your arthritis with ginger, turmeric and cherries, they lose tens of thousands of dollars in drug sales and side effect management over your lifetime. Historically, the AMA and FDA have a long record of marginalizing plant-based treatments to protect synthetic patents. Even the supplement industry is, honestly, complicit, often selling watered-down versions of these herbs that lack the active alkaloids needed for real healing. They want you to believe you are powerless without their prescription pad. But here is what they can't take from you: your sovereignty and your access to the Earth's pharmacy, you can choose to stop funding their skyscrapers and start funding your own cellular restoration. Okay, so here's how you unlock these remedies. You've got to use what's called the decoction method for roots. For your ginger and turmeric base, don't just drop them in hot water. Instead, you'll want to simmer about 2 inches of freshly grated ginger and 1 inch of fresh turmeric root in 16 ounces of distilled water for exactly 15 minutes. This specific heat extraction process actually breaks down the tough cellular walls of the roots, releasing those powerful curcuminoids you're after. Now, for the dosage and timing, drink 8 ounces of this decoction twice daily, once immediately upon waking up on an empty stomach, which helps alkalize your blood, and once more, about 30 minutes before bed. In the first week, you'll be flushing toxins. By week 2, you'll probably start to notice that morning stiffness beginning to dissolve. And by week 4, that deep nagging bone ache often recedes as your tissue pH stabilizes. Here's how you can really enhance your results. Pair your morning tonic with half a teaspoon of black pepper and a tablespoon of cold-pressed avocado oil. The piperine in black pepper boosts turmeric absorption by 2,000%, and those healthy fats help carry the compounds straight into your lymphatic system. But a quick heads up, if you're currently on blood-thinning medication, definitely talk to your practitioner first, since ginger and turmeric naturally improve circulation. Also, you might notice you're more thirsty than usual. That's just your body flushing out the sand from your hinges. And here's a little pro tip. For an immediate topical fire extinguisher, mix cayenne pepper with warm coconut oil and apply it right to the joint. The capsaicin in cayenne actually depletes something called substance P, which is the chemical that sends pain signals to your brain. So, let's recap. Just to make sure it's all clear, arthritis is really a state of acidity, not just something that happens with age. Simmering fresh ginger and turmeric for 15 minutes is what unlocks their biological keys. Always take your first dose on an empty stomach to maximize alkalization. And remember, stacking your remedies with black pepper and healthy fats is what makes absorption possible. You can also use topical cayenne to shut down pain signaling right at the source. Your body is the healer, the plants are simply the tools. Thank you for taking this step toward your own health sovereignty. I'd love to hear from you. Which joint has been giving you the most trouble, and which of these kitchen remedies are you planning to start with tomorrow morning? Go ahead and share your journey in the comments below. Your experience could honestly be the light someone else needs to find their way out of the dark. In our next video, we're diving deep into the mucus-less diet and how clearing your respiratory system can actually double your energy levels in 72 hours. Subscribe and hit the bell to join a community that's done waiting for a broken system to fix them. Just remember, food is medicine, the body is the healer, and this knowledge has always belonged to you. Stay empowered.